Hey friends, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a full-time seller on Poshmark and on eBay, and I sell clothing for a living. It's the best job ever. And today I'm sharing with you everything I picked up during my most recent thrifting trip. So I went to Goodwill, I went to 2 other local thrift places, and I found some amazing stuff. I am like seriously so excited by everything I found, and I can't wait to show you. So let's get into it. Okay, starting off with this beautiful blush pink color camisole top. It's got really nice trim around the top and the bottom. And the brand is JOA Los Angeles. That's from Anthropologie. I really love the color on that. It's very popular right now. And then next up we have another Anthropologie top. It's Akemi and Kim, and this is like a tribal iCat print top. Again, that blush pink color, really nice for spring and summer. One of my favorite brands to find, I always say that, it's Show Me Your Muumuu. This is actually Muumuu Mellow. So Mellow is like their t-shirt casual kind of line, and it's a tie-dye long tunic tank top. Another Anthropologie piece, it's left of center, and it's a knit shell, but it's got this really cool asymmetrical high-low hem at the bottom. Again, blush pink and that cream ivory color, that's like a really popular color combination right now. Onto graphic tees, which if you follow me, you know I love to pick them up. So Pink Floyd classic rock band tee, and that's a women's, which is always good. And then we've got Faye, which is from Anthropologie. It's a silk top, and it has a lot of detail going on. So it's got this like silk bottom, it has ribbon trim, and then it also has floral embroidery on the sleeves. So it's got a lot of unique details to it. And then this top is really cool. It's like a light acid wash kind of chambray denim material. It's got these huge like bell poncho sleeves, slightly cropped. And the brand is New Romantics, which is a Free People line. So you can see under the New Romantics, it says Free People. So that is classified as Free People. And I just love the unique sleeve detail on that. It's just so cool. All right, on to another Anthropologie top. This brand is 1 September, and it's got a lot of details as well. It's got some lace on the front. It's got a bunch of details all over it, and it's a great neutral color. Okay, onto a graphic sweatshirt. This is, it says Easy Like Sunday, so kind of like a take on Easy Like Sunday Morning, I guess. It's a sweatshirt. It's really soft. It's sundry, which they sell at Anthropologie as well as some other places, but this particular piece was from Anthropologie. And what I like is it's got like the kind of tuck in the back, so it makes it a little bit more of a feminine fit. All right, on to the next top, which is this gray long sleeve top. It's got all these embellishments on the front and like embroidery, and the brand is Free People. Definitely looks like a Free People piece. And the back also has the same kind of embellishments on it. Onto sweaters. So I loved this print, like, or the knit design when I saw it hanging on the rack, and I felt it and it felt really good. It has all these cool tassels on the front with the buttons that close, and the brand is, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, maybe Fietsvoer 2, which is from Anthropologie. So that's an Anthropologie brand, and it's just a really unique cardigan. It's got a hood, excellent condition. And then onto the next cardigan, which is also from Anthropologie. So it's Dolan Left Coast Collection. They make really great, like, kind of soft jersey knitwear. And this is a button front. Almost looks like a blazer, but it's a cardigan. Okay, next little jacket. I love the print on this, and it's got these huge kimono sleeves. It has a zip front detail, and it also has a drawstring at the bottom, and the brand is Free People. I love selling Free People. It's an extra small. A lot of their stuff is really oversized, so I definitely include measurements because I think a bigger size could wear this as well. Okay, this dress, when I touched it, I knew it was silk, and it felt like really good quality. It's got a lot of cool details, so it has embroidery, it's got some buttons and some pleating detail right there, and in the back, it's got this cutout. The brand, I had heard of this brand, but I had never found it before. So the brand is Male, and if you look it up, their dresses, this is a size 0. They retail for like a few $100s. So there's not a lot of them listed online right now, but I just really like that style. So I know it's good quality, so hopefully someone will appreciate that. And then onto the next dress, it's a chambray, like denim dress. It's got some cutout detail around the top, and then it is by Free People. Again, that new Romantics Free People. And it has a back cutout detail, like a zipper, buttons, just a lot going on. And it's also new with tags. Okay, on to the next dress. Bright green, floral print. It's got lots of pleating, and it is by Maeve from Anthropologie, one of my favorite Anthropologie lines. And it's also new with tags. This thing retailed for $148, so it's brand new. Okay, this brand, I knew it from back in the day when I worked at Nordstrom. We used to carry this, or I don't know, they still could carry it, but it's called Komarov. And a lot of like Mother of the Brides or like more mature women wore it to like special events, and it's really nice quality. And I just thought that was really pretty with this print. It's really stretchy. It's got some lace trim. So I'm going to try it out. It looks like it does decent on eBay. So I'm going to get that listed on eBay. And then this dress, I love this brand. Reselling this brand, it does really well. It's called Sundance. And Sundance is Robert Redford's catalog collection. So it's a catalog brand, but they did start opening some stores. It's a gorgeous silk floral print dress. It's got all this kind of ruched detail in the center and these big kimono sleeves. So I just think that's beautiful. Back to some Free People. I have sold this top actually I think 2 or 3 times. It's like a mix between a tunic top, and some people I guess could wear it as a dress, but it's got these long poet sleeves. So the sleeves, when they kind of like go out and then they're elasticized at the cuffs, they're called a poet sleeve. And it's got like a cutout keyhole and a little button there. And then next we have another Free People dress. So we've got this long Free People, size small, kind of plunge front with a little tie. And then it also has these 3/4 sleeves, and then it's long. It's not quite a maxi. I think it's more like a midi length, so probably goes mid-calf. But I love the color combination on that. Okay, on to one of my favorite trends. Whenever I find overalls, I have been buying them up lately. So these are some Free People short overalls. So they've got like the cuffed jean short, they're button front. It's kind of like a higher bib, and then the back, what's cool about these is the back goes low. So you can see it just hooks on once down here like regular shorts, and then it's pretty open. So I think that's gonna be super cute. I wish those were my size. And then I did find another pair of overalls, and this pair is a little bit different. So that pair was Free People. Let me show you the label. So those were Free People, size 27. This pair is from Hollister, and let's see, Hollister size medium, which I don't pick up a ton of Hollister, but overalls are so hot right now. Literally almost every brand will sell. So these zip down the front. So that's kind of like a unique style. And they're also a skinny leg. So let me show you the bottom. They have the skinny leg on the bottom, which is really nice. And then kind of similar to the Free People, they go low down the back. So it looks like a regular skinny jean down here, but then it just like crosses up here like overalls. So I just think those are really cool. Next we have Level 99 from Anthropologie, and this is a denim, it's more chambray. It's like that really lightweight denim, and it's a long sleeve romper, and it's also new with tags. So we've got new with tags, $128. Okay, we're gonna go on to our next piece, which is a jumpsuit. I love jumpsuits. I just think they're so cool, especially in the spring and summer. And this is a striped one. It's got ruffle top. It's halter tie, so it ties at the top. And this is from Anthropologie. It's Saturday, Sunday, which is kind of like one of their more casual lines. It zips up the back. I just think that's so unique. And then this jumpsuit is really cool as well. It's kind of like a bigger style, loose fit, and it's got more of like a jogger style bottom, so they're kind of like drop waist. And then it also ties in the back, and this one is Lucky Brand. Let me find the label. So it's Lucky Brand, and it's an extra large. Okay, last jumpsuit that I have. I really like the print on this. So this is also kind of like a denim, or I should say more chambray, like lightweight material. It's got a floral print. They're kind of the culotte style pants, so they're wide leg, but they're cropped. And then the back is super cute. So the back ties, and then it's also got a zipper down here, and this one's from Anthropologie, and it is 11sies. So 11sies, size small. It does have a cut in the label, which it's funny. I shop sometimes at the Anthropologie Free People outlet store and they cut the label, but I haven't been there in a long time. So maybe this person got this from there and then they donated it. So I like that. On to the next area, which is shorts, and these 3 pairs of shorts right here were hanging all together, and I've been looking for some shorts to list because I know it's coming up on that season and I don't have a lot in my closet. However, the brand is just Abercrombie. I hadn't really sold Abercrombie shorts before, but I thought these were really cute. So this is like a pair of faux suede track shorts, so they just pull on, really cute. These are very similar. They're a denim chambray style track short, and it's cute how it goes up on the leg. It's elasticized, same size, small, and then another size small Abercrombie pair of shorts. So all 3 were together. These are more like a paisley print. They tie in the front. So it almost looks like a skirt, but they're definitely some shorts. And I think those would be really good for festival season, so all the music festivals that are coming up. And I'm thinking about putting all 3 of these together. So I'm thinking about lotting these up and bundling them and selling them to the same person since they're all the same size. I'm not sure. What do you guys think about that? Comment down below if you think I should list them together or if I should list them individually. Let me know. Okay, moving on to the next set of shorts, and these are Bermuda length denim shorts, so they're longer length, which I don't know that people love those. I mean, I know someone has to like longer shorts. I usually pick up cutoffs, but they're Citizens of Humanity, which is a really nice designer jean line, and I like selling designer denim shorts, so I'm gonna try those out and see, and these are a little bit dressier. Right next to those was another pair of Citizens of Humanity Bermuda shorts. So these are just like your classic kind of stretch jean shorts. So we'll see how both of those do. They're different sizes though. Okay, and then my favorite style of jeans to pick up are the 7 for All Mankind Dojo jeans. So it's a trouser style jean. The way that you know they're Dojos is they have these embroidered 7s on the back pocket. So these are a really nice wash, and there's like a cult following for these. So people love them and search them. So I like to pick them up. And then next up we have a pair of Adidas track pants. So these are the Adidas Rita Ora collection or collaboration. There's some track pants. They do have a little bit of like wash wear, as well as there's an ink stain somewhere in here, but it's really not bad. And even on the back, you can't really see it because it's kind of like in the pattern. Like it's hard for me to even pick out where it is. So I'm still going to list those. I'm just going to disclose they do have a little bit of wear, but how cute are those with like the floral print, and they have dragonflies and all kinds of cool stuff on them. So I thought those were just too cool to pass up. And then I have a men's item. So I don't pick up a ton of men's, but there are certain brands I love to sell, and I love to sell Peter Millar. So Peter Millar men's stuff does very, very well. This is just a nice button-down plaid shirt, and I like the colors too. And then last up is this Harley Davidson denim jacket. So this is a women's, I believe it's a women's denim jacket because of all the stuff on it. So it's got like skull patches, it's got Harley patches wired. Let's see. It says size small, but it doesn't say if it's a women's or a men's, but I'm gonna guess it's a women's. And then it's got this Harley Davidson embroidery on the back and another skull, and I just think that's really cool. I tend to list most Harley stuff on eBay. This I might put on Posh just because it's a little bit like unique and different. So that's it for my most recent thrifting haul. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely found a lot of free people in Anthropologie. When I was going through that, I was just didn't even realize how much I had found, but it's great because those are 2 of my best-selling brands on Poshmark, and I have a lot of regulars that buy those brands, and also you're more likely to sell a bundle when you have a variety of items by similar brands or similar styles, so it's very helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button below and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!